Right now, fitness should be made mandatory in the police force, Rasta.
Yo, the brother they will catch this on videotape now. Easy, man. Yeah, man, so what's up here? You have to understand, say, links make them get in, and you have to understand, say, after when them get a job, them get big rest, you see me? Yeah, them now they find them routine again the right way. Their body no Quada done, so look like a new release. Quada done a wreck on a body song right now, cause I see him post it and him have something where him chew up on him page and thing. Normally him would do that if on a big bad song, you see me? Yeah man, so that one day, just a little preview there where him get the people them already. You see me supposed to intriguing cause I rate the flow and the concept of the song and everything already so far. You see it? Yeah man, so go and do it Quada done, you know the style going on, rule the settings you say. Oh, see it funny man, yeah man. Yeah man, I know the description of the song, the name yet, but the people them a look out for it, you see me? Yeah man, so for me they are just go and tune into everything I go on. But watch a prayer.
Good morning. Guess this is the girl that I hear everyone talking about, Trishauna. You know what I mean? She there start off with a local business and thing. Yeah, she a local official shop over there at James Street and Beeson Street. You know what I mean? In the North Spoilers community. So
Alright, so you see the same BF on Miss Donna program named Trishanna make the post. You see me with the same video, so many of you thought down on me, threaten me, but I pray to God, fear no one. Who could it be? Bless you all and thank you once more. You see me? Right now, but I got tell no lie. Me not feel like a fear style that. Our style she a fuck man. Maybe she just a take a one picture, you know? And show the people them so she there. You see me? A joke man, that really real. It just burn me, yo. Me have to try pray different, yo. Look for all the money they will get be. You see me? But I even go start dung pon you see me? Cause we know life can be, you see me? But John or girl, you see me? You should have smarter than that and do something better, you see me? Cause everybody have them 4 o'clock, but I want to put yourself in a situations that time, you see me? Yeah man. But judge the people them now go work with it do, you see me? Yeah made it be. So they must say. As I say, I just hear, I just tell how the people them view everything, you know, you see me? So, but they and me a pray say, yo, she coulda look on where they on the style, people. Open and see, you know, cause like, not even, yo, one and a banana and some look rough land, them look at something there, nah, man. Money can't done on your run, go knock up a one piece of style, cause we know human being program, you know, you see me? But, Jaja be, you go build up nice house. And you all because you look at dirty ways and you sneaking behavior for try scam off the people then money be. Jano style. Trishanna, you want 2 good lick man be. I will tell you. You see me? Don't feel them money all in favor either. 2 more supporters she could have want. Them send her to the world amount of donation and thing. You think she alone want help? I know she alone want help. You see me? Could have stuck out the place better still. Man, I go tell no lie. You see me people, yeah man. And but I go really hide and talk. Me know what is life. And she not have to get all of them money there. Where it look like she account out and thing. You see me people? Yeah man, adapt me I tell her here. But I could understand if she'd make the house build up and she have the local style. But nothing. Jaja, you come like you're going back a square one be. I can't got that girl beat. I don't know what to say about that girl right now, people. But leave a comment down below. Tell me what I go and tell me what you think, though. Yes. If you're not subscribers yet, please do so and know the style, though.
good morning. Guess this is the girl that I hear everyone talking about, Trishauna. You know what I mean? She there start off with a local business and thing. Yeah, she a local official shop over there at James Street and Beeson Street. You know what I mean? In the North Spoilers community. So this is a local start of the business. You know, so she gonna have all kind of local things, fruits, you know what I mean? Local snacks, juice, all of these local things, you know what I mean? So this is Trishanna starting off with a local business. She'll wait for a local shop to finish off right at James Street and Beeson Street, peeps. The room done already, I say a room finish, you know what I mean? So the kitchen are now left to finish up and things. So whosoever do the good for her, don't stop. Just continue to do the support for her, you know what I mean? Because she there do the right thing, nobody follow them out.